Hello, everybody! We are now playing another game of One Night Ultimate Vampire. BS Games Philippines edition. The players here are Ice Princess, Iplog, Sheka, Noob Ambassador, the fantastic Bujin, yours truly, Kill Uncle, and your moderator, world famous Sandman. Take it away, Sandman.
World famous, reaching the Philippines and Singapore tonight. Yes.
Internationally known,
Anyway, internationally known. But seriously, naglaro kami ng One Night Ultimate Vampire with these 6 players for your benefit. And ito na rin yung sequence na pag-ising ko sa kanila mamaya. Meron tayong Vampire, The Counts, Priest, Assassin, Apprentice Assassin. After nun, gigising sila, tagling-laling mark sila. And then, meron tayong Marksman, Robber, Troublemaker, and Gremlin. Let's see how it goes out, how it turns out. Nagbigay na ako ng rules. Everyone, guys, mute your mics.
Everyone, close your eyes.
Priest, wake up. Okay, I'm gonna tell you as of right now kung nabigyan ka ng Mark of the Vampire or Mark of Fear. Kung nabigyan ka nun, it's automatically cleansed. Pick another person na tatanggalan mo ng mark kung nabigyan siya. Who are you cleansing? This one. Sige. Kung may mark siya kanina, burado na ngayon. Go back to sleep. Okay. Now wake up the assassin. Assassin, wake up. Your target, anyone including yourself. Okay. Now, kung may kausap ako, gising ka lang. Kung merong apprentice assassin, wake up, tingin sa camera. Alright. Kung mayroong kang nakita, siya ang target mo o kung sino man ang merong assassin card. Kung wala ka nakita, pick your own target. Alright, that's long enough. Go back to sleep. Assassin and or apprentice assassin. Okay, everyone wake up.
Everyone, wake up.
Okay, so since vampire to, I'll make it 6 minutes. First vampire game natin to for tonight. 6 minutes. We're looking for again. Well, if you're part of the village, ang main goal is to look for someone who you're looking for the vampire, the count, or kung nakita yung mark of the vampire. 6 minutes starting now.
Okay, so ako yung troublemaker.
May rubber ba? Dapat rubber lagi na una eh.
Okay, rubber.
Assassin.
Rubber.
Apprentice assassin.
Ako yung apprentice seer.
Baby ko. Ay,
Apprentice baby.
paano ko ikaw yung baby ko?
Kanina.
Puti na kami.
Hindi ko alam kung ano yung gagamitin kong role eh.
Hindi ka ba sure? Gamitin mo yung kanina mong role. Ano yung kanina mong role?
Papanggap na lang ako.
Uwe. Ano?
Magpapanggap akong priest.
Oh, that's bullshit.
So, anong ginawa mo, priest? Anong ginawa mo, priest?
Binasbasan ko si Kill Uncle.
Yes! That's kind of true. I still have the mark of clarity. Kasi wala nangyari.
So, nakakuha ka ng mark.
Well, hindi ako nagbago nung tumingin tayo. Who's the
Baka naman
apprentice
count si
assassin?
Eugene, tas ikaw yung ginawa niyang...
No, it's not here. Sino yung apprentice assassin? At sino yung assassin? Isa magandang intention.
Ako.
You are?
Apprentice assassin.
So who's the assassin?
Ako.
Itlog.
Sino yung target nyo?
Sino yung target? Sino yung itlog mo target?
Target namin yung werewolf.
Sino yun?
Nasa previous episode eh. Nasa previous
Crossover
episode.
ito multiverse na. Sige.
Si Ice Princess hindi nagsasalita. Lasing drunk Ice Princess ba to today?
Hindi, wala. Wala akong iniinom ngayon.
Sleepy Ice Princess.
Insomniac ice cream.
Magpainom ka na lang, Bujin. Ako yung marksman. Walang kwenta yung mark ni Kill Uncle. Si Bujin, priest talaga siya.
So, nagsasabi ng totoo yung dalawang sinungaling? What?
What?
So,
Kailangan
ang
ng bago
masama
eh.
lang dito, hindi, pwedeng masama pa rin si Kill Uncle kasi
Yung card niya yung masama. Pwede. Oo.
kasi yung mark lang naman niya yung no effect eh. Tapos meron akong mark of the assassin. The assassin only wins if the player who has this mark is killed. So, pagka pinatay nyo ko, panalo yung assassin at saka apprentice assassin. Tama ba? Ay, hindi. Assassin lang pala.
Talo ka.
Talo ko. Tapos panalo yung assassin.
Sino boboto natin?
Ice Princess na?
Eh di si Sheikah na troublemaker daw. Para manalo na siya as the food.
Ako yung troublemaker, tapos pinagpalit ko si 7 at 8. Totoo
7
to,
at 8.
7
Ako,
at
patay.
8. Ala.
Hindi na
Malamang
priest si
vampire na
Bujin.
ako.
No, basta totoo
Ala,
kasi sabi
Bujin.
ko.
Sino na target mo?
So ano ka kanina, NA?
Yun nga. Priest na ako ngayon.
So pwede mo na sabihin ko sino yung assassin.
Iboto nyo na lang ako.
Pwede na.
Para
Pero
panalo,
ba't ko
isang
sasabihin?
tao lang.
Pero totoo to pinagpalit ko si 7 at 8. Si NA tsaka
Kawawa
si...
naman si
Nakakatawa yung
Bujin. Hindi niya alam ang
Nakatawa yung pag
target
sinabi
niya.
ni NA na assassin pala si Sheikah. So ano
Hindi,
nangyari doon? Ang labo nun.
Troublemaker talaga ako.
O ba't di na natin boto si Bujin para safe?
Wag si Bujin.
Bakit? Werewolf
Si NA
ka
na
ba?
nagsabi.
Kasi
so,
hindi na siya priest ngayon. Hindi na
Hindi
priest si
si
Bujin.
Kasi maganda yung suggestion ni Ice Princess na i-vote natin siya.
Ikaw, Itlog, boboto mo rin ba si Bujin kung sinabi ko? Ako, boboto ko si Bujin.
Oo, kasi si NA nagsabi.
Oh.
So, ang ibig sabihin nun, yung role ni NA, someone na binoboto. So, baka siya yung kaninang vampire.
Baka nga. Pero card naman yung pinalit ni Sheikah sa amin.
Ay, so walang gremlin.
Bakit?
Wala
Either
nag-play.
pwede may gremlin but hindi niya rin i-reveal pa. Kasi wala
Baka
siyang
yung
nakuha.
sarili niya yung pinalitan niya.
Ilang minutes na lang sa advance?
1 minute and 3 seconds.
Oy, yung mga nagtatanong ng ganun.
1 minute.
1 minute na lang.
Ako na lang daw.
Oh,
para
amin ka na,
panalo
Bujin.
yung assassin.
Ha?
Ano ka talaga kanina? Baka ikaw yung kaninang vampire
Guys,
talaga.
guys,
Matagal pa eh.
guys, makinig
Hindi, nakita
tayo kay
nakita ni Ice
guys,
Princess.
makinig tayo kay Ice Princess. Maganda yung suggestion niya na i-vote
45
out.
seconds.
I-vote out siya.
Sa Ice Princess na lang.
Para panalo yung assassin.
Pwede.
Bonus na lang yun. Pero maganda.
Tatay.
Bakit ayaw?
30 seconds.
Ba't ayaw niyong iboto na lang si Bujin? Total, napalitan naman siya and sinadjust na ni NA.
Ako, boboto ko na si
ba ni
Bujin.
NA? O di sige,
Ako kay
sinadjust pala
Bujin.
ni NA. Baka sabihin niya,
Sige,
unsupportive na
Princess
naman
na lang.
tayo dito.
Para manalo yan.
Ako basta...
Tayo siguro si Kilangkal.
Ilang seconds na lang? Ilang seconds na
I
lang?
think number 6
10
is a good...
seconds.
10 seconds. Guys, count ako. Si NA yung boto natin.
Wow!
Three,
Nakita nga ni Ice
2,
Princess.
Okay, that's it. No more discussions. No more discussions. So,
Napakabait kasi nung priest eh.
I'm gonna remember, wala naman tanner dito, pero if you, kasi pwede naman magka-tanner movie.
By
Pero
Bujin, mamamatay
you
ka na.
cannot vote for yourself. Okay, regardless of your role. And remember, the villagers are looking for kung nakanino si vampire role, the count role, or the mark of the vampire. Kung meron man. I'm gonna count you guys down from 3. Sabay-sabay kayo mag-vote. 3, 2, 1, vote. Hold it up. Vote. Hold it up. 8, 8, 8. Ang daming 8. Kay Bujin.
Paalam, Bujin. Paalam.
Okay. Bujin started out, tama siya. He started out as the priest. And as the priest, automatic, kung meron siyang, wala naman siyang mark kanina. Pero, cleaning na rin yung mark ni Kal Uncle, pero wala naman din nag-put ng mark kay Kal Uncle. So Bujin was the priest. Pinagpalit siya. Tama si Sheka, pinagpalit niya si Bujin and si New Ambassador. Bujin ended the game as the assassin. And since na-vote out si assassin, number 1, panalo si vampire o vampires plural kasi hindi namatay walang vampire na na-vote out, meaning panalo si Kill Uncle as the count at kinagat niya, ginawa niya vampire si Noob Ambassador sa kanyang mark of the vampire. So,
kaya siya pumapayag.
Kaya nakuha ko itlog. Kaya nakuha ko yung vote mo.
Vampire si Noob Ambassador. And since na-vote out yung assassin, panalo yung apprentice assassin, Itlog. Itlog was the apprentice assassin.
Kaya pala pumayag.
So,
grabe, niloko tayo.
Okay lahat.
Kami lang
So
pala
basically,
ni talo dito.
natalo rin si Bujin. Pero yes, talo si Sheka na villager, na troublemaker, talo si Ice Princess na marksman, and si Bujin na naging assassin. So yes, good job.
3v3 so okay lang yun.
3v3, tama. Good job, Counts, Kill Uncle, Vampire Priest, Vampire Priest, Noob Ambassador, and Apprentice Assassin Itlog. Good job. Galing.
Ako lang may pasalubong kay Sheka galing Singapore.
Oo nga. Well, kasalanan ni Sheka kaya na pinagpalit ka ni Sheka with the
Kapag nanalo si Ice Princess sa Grand Finals, ako lang ang may panalo.
Grand Finals ng alin? Ay, wait lang.
Grand Finals. Kaya nakaayos, oh.
Oh, kaya ka ba ganyan, Ice Princess? Anong Grand Finals yun?
Parang lasing.
Sekreto yun kung anong klaseng Grand Finals yun.
Wait lang. In the recording, card 1 was the Gremlin, card 2 was the Vampire, card 3 was the Robber.
Sa wakas, nanalo din si Kill Uncle. Si Bujin, wala pa rin panalo.
Oo nga.
Di ba gabi, I won the ultimate love letter.
Grabe. Sige, mamaya na pag-usapan natin.
Nanalo ikaw, Kill Uncle?
After 12 games, grabe mini-series yan. Vampire takes camera. Okay. Sino ang bibigyan natin ng mark of the vampire? Magiging kakampi na siya. Again, ingat lang kasi meron tayong priest, baka matsambahan, baka priest yung lagyan mo, or baka get siya na iklan siya ng deep. Let me now wake up specifically the counts. The counts wake up. Okay. Sino ang bibigyan natin mark of fear? May nighttime siya. Nighttime action siya, hindi niya magagawa. Mark of fear. Okay. Toasted. The back to sleep. The wala. So let marksman wake up. Okay. You get to check the mark and the card of different players. Mark muna. Sino mark? Check the mark of this person. That person's mark as of right now is this one. Ngayon, checkin mo naman yung card ng player. Anyone except this one. So you're giving it to this one. You're checking this person's card. As of right now, that person's card is this one. Back to sleep. After the mark, wake up, troublemaker. Okay, troublemaker. Isa-swap natin would be the cards. Not the marks, but the cards of the game. Kaninong cards ang switch natin? Switching the cards of this one and this one. Okay, switching the cards of this one and this one. And go back to the troublemaker. And then lastly, the gremlin. Anyway, let's wrap this game up. Kill Uncle, unlike last time, you are closing this game as the winner. So as a winner, please close the game. Go ahead.
Well, Bujin, do not edit anything. This is the perfect way that One Night Vampire should be played. That's the best way. And if you were out there watching in YouTube land, I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Sometimes people win, sometimes people lose, like Luigi. I hope to see you. We all hope to see you in the next few games. Like, comment, subscribe, send the message to Salmon, and until then, goodbye.